Holy crap, I don't think I can fit all my clothes in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Okay, so I did it. I packed everything. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be in 3 different climates, in Manila, in Alaska, and Vegas. So I figured I'm gonna put all kind of like my long sleeve stuff here that I can layer with, so that when I'm in Manila, it's just closed the entire time. So they're all in here. Had some trouble with the audio here, but I was basically explaining how I have all my underwear in that one section, and then I do have my sandals right there in the pockets. I know it's not the most hygienic, but I had to do what I gotta do to make it fit. And then I just have all my regular stuff on the other side, like, you know, tank tops, bottoms, leggings, and stuff like that I could use in Manila and for layering. I was also like pointing out some skincare here. I didn't really bring any shampoo or anything like that because it's mainly in the hotel already. I just finished packing because I'm going to Manila, and then I'm going to Alaska, and then I am settling down to my new state in Nevada. So I don't know how I'm gonna fit the rest of my stuff in my backpack, because I have my carry-on and then I have my backpack with me. I purposely didn't put anything there because I know that I'm gonna be shopping for some winter stuff in the Philippines. So I wanted to make some space for that. I mean, I'm only gonna be in Alaska for 1 week. So since I lived in Hawaii, I don't have any winter clothes. I haven't been in a freezing cold environment before, like I've never seen snow before, so I'm gonna need to do some shopping for that, and Philippines is the place for that. And I figured I could fix my hair in there because again, it's so cheap, because I have a freaking dilemma with my hair right now. I cut it a few weeks ago because like any other millennial that's going through a breakup, I cut my hair. And yeah, it's not cute, and my mom did it. It's not cute at all. So I'm gonna have that fixed. I don't know what to do yet. I might get a new haircut. I think I just need to give up with my dream haircut, which is blunt bob. It's just not for me. It's not for my hair type. It's not gonna work with this freaking thick hair of mine. It's not gonna work, so I need to figure out a new haircut that's gonna work for my hair. And I might get a Brazilian blowout. Not sure yet. I'm gonna have a hairstylist get a deeper look at my hair and see what we can do. But yeah, I think I'm ready to go. Here's my hair. It's okay.
Pagka ano niyan, pag wala na yung ano, kung ano na rin na nalagwag na yan.
I know, right? I know it's not gonna stay the same when I wash it.
Say those free they can mistakes and get bad girls. I really don't. I had been manipulated or as where you
push it with the shoulder. She says, "No, I don't need any help." And then he gets to the door and she says, "Hey, I'll take it from here." And he says, "No, I promise. I'll just put the stuff down and go." But of course, he doesn't keep his promise. She lets him in, and he holds her at gunpoint. The rape had happened. He got up, he got dressed, He closed the window, which was open, and he said, "I'll be right back. I'm going to get something to drink from the kitchen." And
When you say no, and you mean
My friend's in the shower, and it feels freaking weird how I'm here again at the exact same hotel I was a year ago. I was going through almost the exact same thing as well. I was embarking on a new journey. I was going to Europe and then eventually settling down with my ex. And now I'm doing the exact same thing a year later. Like, I'm traveling again. I'm going to Alaska, and then I'm gonna start a new life again. I mean, I don't know how to feel about it exactly, but it's scary and exciting at the same time. Look at this view, man. I mean, we're at the lower floor, but I think it looks pretty cool. We're getting ready. We're going out, and I need to buy some winter clothes or warm clothes. I don't know yet, but I'm really afraid of the cold. I'm an island baby, so I can't stand cold. I mean, I can from time to time, but not for too long, so I'm gonna need some heavy duty stuff to help me out. I love my hair. I wish it could stay like this forever. I love it. My friend lost her freaking AirPod. There's only one. Like, I low-key feel like Billie Eilish. I like it. You see? We're so excited, but it's so hot in here. So I was watching a lot of YouTube tutorials how to fold the crap out of this.
A few moments later.
And that's how you fold your coat. It's not really a fold, but you know what I mean. I'm just waiting for my friend's text. I think we're gonna go to BGC. Do you wanna come?
No.
Aside from the coat, I also bought this. A scarf. That's all that I bought. She bought a freaking beanie. It's so cute. But they forgot to, what's this? Remove the tags.
Whatever.
I don't know what it is, but they forgot to. It didn't go off though, their alarm when we went out. That's so. Oh fuck. I guess it's that easy. So what do you think of Manila? Because she's not from here, so she's
Polluted as fuck.
my friend Paula. She's from the Philippines, but she's not from Manila.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Guam.
She's not from Guam.
No,
I mean, yeah.
I'm from the province, but you know. Yeah.
She's shy. She's camera shy. She's not really used to Manila. I don't know why. But what do you think of Manila? Like, would you live here?
I'd rather not. I'd rather live in the province.
She'd rather live in the province.
Crowded, you know. I mean,
But a lot of people like move here. It's kind of like New York.
it's New York with a lot of pollution.
Well, New York is polluted as well, right?
Well, There's a difference.
I'm so bored. Just waiting for my friends. Text? Oh, there. She texted. All done. Let's see if it closes. It's almost 2:30 and I'm going to the airport. I think I have everything. Yep. Too early.